This is the Commonwealth, the current Commonwealth champion, whose best 2 years ago was 10.82. The only athlete in this field that hasn't broken 11 is Pinto. We'll come to her in a second. This is Daphne Skippers, of course, a world champion at the longer sprint distance, 200 meters. Made it through here as a fastest loser. There is Pinto. Very good performance from her in the semi-final. Got a good start, held on well. So 2 German athletes in lanes 1 and 4. Then we've got 2, of course, the normal 2 from the Ivory Coast. Talou, silver medalist at those World Championships. And indeed at 60 indoors, 100 outdoors, 200 outdoors. And then there she is, smiling, and why shouldn't she be smiling? The double Olympic champion from 2008-2012, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. Lots of Jamaican support, of course, in this city, and have come out to cheer their hero, one of their heroes. So Dina Asher-Smith, the European champion. British crowd hoping that she can lift herself to challenge Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce here. Ahouré, the world indoor champion from 2018 at 60 meters, also of the Ivory Coast. And then the former Commonwealth champion at this distance, Blessing Okagbare from Nigeria in lane 9, who has shocked a couple of the fields earlier on in the season, but I suspect the way Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is going today, that won't happen. So how quick do we think Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce can go here? What can Dina Asher-Smith do? Can she put her under pressure? Can she hang on to her? Can she herself find a fast time? 10.91 for Dina Asher-Smith in qualifying, 10.95 for Fraser-Pryce, who, to be fair, was easing through. This is the final event of what's been an immense weekend of great performances, where we have another one here to finish off. Thousandths of a second. A false start for the world champion at 200 meters. So now we're down to 8 women. Lucan Kemper, Michelle Aye in 2, then at 3 now empty. Then we've got Tatiana Pinto, Marie-Josée Talou, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce and Dina Asher-Smith in lanes 6 and 7, Murielle Ahouré in 8 and Blessing Okagbare in 9. Dina Asher-Smith takes second spot. She makes it look so easy. I said she was flowing. That's what it is like. It's almost poetry in motion, watching her. A good start, a great start, and then after that, she just keeps going away. It's been taken up by a slight notch to 10.78. Dina Asher-Smith, 10.92 in second place. Nothing she could do about Fraser-Pryce. She gets such a good start, and then she just runs faster. You can't say anything else. She just runs faster than everybody else.
Steve, it's amazing. At the moment, in Shelly-Ann's racing, I see no weakness. She reacts to the gun very well. Then she gets out the block solid, very strong. Then she has incredible pickup, good knee lift all the way through, and she doesn't seem to fade. She doesn't get tight. So this is going to be a person that's going to be so difficult to beat. Adding to that, she has a wealth of experience in taking these titles. So only person that's come close when she's running like this is another Olympic champion, Elaine Thompson, who only just beat her by a fraction, thousandths at those Jamaican championships. Watch this again here. There's nothing really Dina can do. She can't get close to her in the first 20 meters, and if you can't get close to her then and put her under any sort of pressure, you've got no chance of beating her. She's still moving away from the field, pumping hard, focused all the way. And when you're that determined as a champion, trust me, it's tough, so tough for all your opponents. Here's Dina, out the blocks well. Again, she didn't do really anything that wrong. She was just beaten by a quality athlete who just seems to be on the top of her game. All that Dina can really do is just try and hang on.
At the London Anniversary Games, Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce left no doubt about her status as a sprinting legend. delivering a performance that reasserted her supremacy in the 100 meters. The Jamaican veteran burst out of the blocks with her signature explosiveness and surged ahead to stop the clock at a blistering 10.78 seconds. The race was yet another reminder that when Fraser-Pryce is on her game, few can even come close. The lineup included elite contenders: European champion Dina Asher-Smith, Côte d'Ivoire's sprint powerhouses Marie-Josée, Ta Lou and Murielle Ahouré, and Nigeria's blessing Okagbare. Yet even this formidable field couldn't prevent Fraser-Pryce from dominating. Asher-Smith gave chase and finished second with a strong 10.92, but Fraser-Pryce's early separation proved insurmountable. From the opening milliseconds, it was clear the race would belong to her. Her lightning-quick reaction time, combined with a fierce drive phase, gave her immediate command. As she pulled away within the first few meters, her rivals struggled to respond. By the halfway mark, her lead had grown, and with every powerful stride, the gap widened. None of the challengers had the tools to close in. Analysts praised her flawless form, upright posture, precise foot placement, aggressive arm swing, and unwavering composure under pressure. These technical strengths, honed over years of elite competition, continue to set her apart. Her race was a model of efficiency and execution, reinforcing why she's remained a world beater well into her 30s. Known as the Mommy Rocket, Fraser-Pryce's path back to the top after motherhood has become one of the most inspiring chapters in modern athletics. Her return to competition after giving birth wasn't just successful, it was historic. She didn't merely come back. She came back faster and more focused than ever, capturing titles and winning global admiration. Though she has signaled that the Paris 2024 Olympics will be her final major championship, she hasn't ruled out further appearances on the track. With her training regimen still in full force, speculation continues about a possible extension of her career. If she chooses to race into 2025, fans can anticipate electrifying matchups with fellow Jamaican stars like Shericka Jackson and Elaine Thompson-Herah, battles that have already redefined the sport's competitive standard. No matter what her future holds, Fraser-Pryce's influence is etched into the sport's DNA. Her longevity, unshakable work ethic, and fearless attitude have redefined what's possible for sprinters, especially for women balancing sport and motherhood. Whether she retires soon or stretches her story a bit longer, her legacy is undeniable and everlasting.